Invest smartly, understanding basic terms SIP, lump sum, and STP. Hey friends, during a recent conversation with some of my clients, I realized that there is a need to talk about some basic investment terminologies. Many people, even seasoned investors, get confused about certain terms. For instance, some think that SIP itself is an investment. That got me to a thought. Why not spend some time today simplifying the basic terms? So, let's start with mutual funds. A mutual fund scheme is an investment vehicle where we pool our money along with thousands of other investors. This collective fund is then invested in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, FDs, and so on. The idea is simple. By spreading our money across different instruments, we reduce the overall risk. Now, there are two primary ways to invest in mutual funds. One is SIP, that is systematic investment plan, and the other one is lump sum investments. So friends, now let's understand what is SIP. SIP is a method where you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, usually a month. It's a disciplined approach to investing, aligning perfectly with the way most of us earn, that is monthly income, like salary, rent, etc. Now, with SIP, you don't need to worry about timing the market. Your investments are spread over time, helping you benefit from rupee cost averaging. The other term is lump sum. Now, what is lump sum? Lump sum is when you invest a large amount in one go. If you have surplus money lying with you at a particular time, you can invest it all at once. But here, another term's coming in, that is STP, Systematic Transfer Plan. Now, STP is a variation of lump sum investing and it works like this. You first invest your entire amount in a low risk liquid fund. Then, at regular intervals, maybe weekly, you can transfer small portions of that money into equity funds. So, STP is particularly useful for large investors when you are not sure about market levels. It helps reduce the risk of investing everything at once during a market peak. Now, think of it as gradually stepping into the market rather than jumping in all at once. So, today we discussed SIP, lump sum, and STP, these three common ways to invest in mutual funds. Now, in my next video, I will help you decide when to choose SIP and when lump sum might be the bare route. Stay tuned for more such learnings. If you find my talks are adding value to your knowledge basket, do like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Personal Finance Bites. Thank you.